Hello guys, it's Ada again with you today. How you guys doing? How is the family? How is the kitchen? Hope everything is working out well. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your homemade beans flour. Yes, right from your home. You'll be doing it yourself. So I'll be teaching you guys all of this. So the first thing for this recipe is beans. This is your beans. I'm using the white beans. So the first thing you do is to remove unwanted particles. Alright, so you have to remove the unwanted particles, after which you sun dry. You have to sun dry it in case the beans is damp. So you sun dry it. After sun drying it, you take it to the mill and mill it. So it needs a heavy duty machine, milling machine, to do or give you a great job. So this is it. It has been milled. But the thing here is that it's not finely grounded. What I mean by that, it still has some rough edges in it. So what we'll be doing here is we are going to sift the flour. All right, we're going to sift the flour. So with a sifter, we'll be sifting the flour to give us a fine flour. All right, so what we do is to transfer in bits into the sifter. You then sift to give us a fine flour, or rather fine beans flour. So this is what we'll be doing. Remember, we mill the whole beans, so the black stuff and all of that are in there, so we have to get rid of them. So this sifter will help us trap them all out. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. It's just a simple procedure and you have your beans flour. So for those of you that have been buying beans flour, it's just a simple procedure. Just get your beans and sun dry, mill, and you sift. That's all. And it saves time. It saves a lot of time. So when you have your flour at your disposal, you can choose to make your akara or moi moi whenever. So you'll be doing this in bits. You sift your flour in bits to trap, like I said, the chaff rather. Hope you guys are seeing this clearly. So this is the chaff. Hope you guys are seeing this. So this should be disposed. You don't need this here. What we need is a fine flour. This is it. Our flour is ready. Smooth. It's smooth. So this is what we want. This is how it would look like. So you can use it for your moi moi and akara whenever you want. So this is it. Hope you enjoy this video. Like I said, it's a simple procedure. Subscribe to my channel if you've not, for more amazing video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.